There are numerous lessons people can learn from the journey of Miss Universe 2021 Top 5, Beatriz Luigi Gomez. Hello! Welcome to Glam Hour. We seek to bring you everything interesting and relevant in the world of pageantry. When Beatriz Luigi won Binibining Cebu a few years back, her tattoo and being a member of the LGBTQ community drew a slash of harsh and bigoted comments among the netizens. But Beatriz Luigi Gomez kept her silent and she kept her cool. When she competed in the Miss Universe Philippines 2021 pageant, she was not the crowd's favorite. The majority of people were rooting for the front runners: Cebu's top beauty queen Steffi Aberasturi, Asia's Next Top Model winner Maureen Roblowitz, and popular actress Kisses Delavine. Beatriz Luigi was labeled not beautiful. A number of homophobic obscenities were hurled at her, and she was told she was not at par with the beauty of these front runners. But Beatriz Luigi kept silent, and she kept her cool. Some people were not thrilled when she won the Miss Universe Philippines 2021 title. Her runners-up, they believed, outshone her in every guest appearance and photograph. They even predicted that Beatriz would not even make it to top 20 or top 16. But Beatriz Luigi Gomez kept silent and she kept her cool. After she and her long-term partner parted ways after she had won the crown, a number of fake social media accounts sprang up, seeking to dig up any dirt they could against Beatriz Luigi. But she kept silent and she kept her cool. Imagine representing your country in the face of widespread skepticism. Imagine breaking up with a life partner after you had won, someone who has always been there for you emotionally. But what was truly extraordinary about Beatriz Luigi was she continued to do great things despite the fact that others did not believe in her, even tried to discredit her, and those who previously supported her have vanished. So we ask, what are the valuable life lessons we all can learn from Miss Universe Philippines 2021 Beatriz Luigi Gomez? Lesson number 1. Don't underestimate the power of silence. With the results she created, Beatriz Luigi demonstrated the power of this silence. It is said that when we are silent, we are able to hear the whispers of the gods. Lesson number 2. Bea simply allowed people to express themselves freely. As a member of the LGBTQ community, Bea knows the value of fostering self-expression. Expressing yourself can help you keep in touch with how you are feeling. It can also help you release a lot of tension that you might be carrying around. Lesson number 3. Choose your battles wisely. Bea demonstrated the wisdom of being selective of the problems she got involved in. Bea chose to save her time only for the things that mattered. This meant fighting the most important battle and letting go of the rest. For all these lessons, we say, thank you, Bea. You have demonstrated what a true queen really means. Is there any additional life lesson that Bea demonstrated that we might have missed out on? Please leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.